Hello Algebra 1. Today we're going to look at 9.1b, finding distance. So we're going to find the distance between 2 points. So we've got 2 points. We're going to find out the measure or the length between them, the distance. And it turns out, class, this is an application of Pythagorean theorem because we can draw a right triangle and do a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and we can find the hypotenuse. So anyway, it's just an application. I thought I'd point that out. You won't have to memorize the formula, but basically how I remember it is that you subtract the x's, square it. You subtract the y, square it. Add those together, then take the square root of it. All right, so let's find the distance between these points here. So yeah, we'll just fill in the formula. Distance equals square root. Subtract the x's. Now be careful, you got to subtract a negative, so be careful. So plus, then subtract the y's. And you will get, right there, you're going to add those together. You'll get -6, and -6 squared is 36. -2 squared is 4. And we get a distance of square root of 40. Now, you might be asked to get an exact answer or a radical answer. You might be asked to get a decimal answer. So to get the radical answer, we do want to simplify this radical. 4, 10, 4 is a perfect square. 2 and 5, nothing doing there. So our exact answer would be 2 square root 10. If they ask you to get a decimal answer, you'll punch that into your calculator. And you'll get 6.32. All right, let's do another one. Yeah, distance equals, subtract the x's, plus subtract the y's. I gotta mention, this formula is pretty forgiving because in a lot of formulas you have to make sure to be consistent about which point you start with. Not with this one. If I did -2 minus a -5 and then did 4 minus 6, it would give me the same answer, so it's kind of nice that way. So it's 3 squared, that's 9. 2 squared is 4. And we get d is equal to square root 13. Try to break it down. Nothing goes into 13 but 1 and 13. So we're done with that. And then let's get the decimal answer as well. So 13 square root is 3.61 if they're wanting the decimal answer. Well, class, that's all there is to it. Yeah, make sure to practice. Have a good day.